Hi guys, how you doing? Hi. Oh, there you are. Hi. How are you, Gizmo? Going downstairs? Ready to go down? Huh? Come on, let's go. Gizmo beat you. Let's go. Go, go, go. You coming out to play? Hmm? You gonna go in the other room? Where are you going? Huh? Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see what's waiting for us in the other room. Oh, good. You ate all your food. Good girl and boy. Okay.